It all began when I met her that cold night in my office. She walked in like she owned the place, as I was going over some old cases and reminiscing. She said her brother mysteriously disappeared shortly after coming back from an academic trip. He hasn't been himself since he got back, and he brought with him this strange statue. She didn't have much for me to go on, except that eerie thing and her brother's research files back at his apartment. You know, this whole thing seemed wrong from the beginning, but I just couldn't turn her down. No, not her. I asked her to take me to her brother's apartment. And as we left my office, I could feel that damned idol's gaze on my back.